Come on, hippies. Dali na, dali na. Nagre-record na ako. Masakit sa paa, Pauline.
Scared. Is it on?
Yes. Come on, hippies. Oh.
This is called
It is called
Royal Wrap.
Say hi again, hippies. Hoy, say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
I'll do it.
You should go with them. Over there. You know, over there, it's very deep. Over there by the middle.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't want to go over there.
Well, you're not gonna drown because the water's gonna take you way over there. Woo! Yan na, yan na.
Paddle, paddle. Wow. Oh, so you can stand on it.
Yeah. Well, just over there, but over there you can't stand. Yeah. Because I tried, because the three of us went in, and then over there I was trying to stand. And I was like, ooh, and I was like, oh shit, I can't reach. And then Paula was in front of me, so I pushed her up, and then I went down because I pushed her up. But over there, it's hard to like go on the side because the water is taking you.